You searched how to buy shares of Pearl Holdings Acquisition Corp. Pearl Holdings Acquisition Corp is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PRLH. This video explains the process and is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade PRLH, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with a government ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PRLH to locate Pearl Holdings Acquisition Corp. Choose the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange and the PRLH ticker to open its page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand basic information about the stock. Confirm the issuer name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to ensure this is the correct security. Select Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list once the order executes. For the same step-by-step link I used, check the description below.